Hi, hello, this is Giri, teaching 10th Mathematics, the chapter Coordinate Geometry. Here is the solutions of exercise 7.1 and this is part 2 video. In this video, we will learn the solutions of question number 4 and question number 5 of exercise 7.1. Dear students, here is question number 4. Check whether the points 5 minus 2, 6, 4, 7 minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. I shall repeat. Check whether 5 minus 2, 6, 4 and 7 minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Just let us recollect what is meant by an isosceles triangle. Yes, good. In any triangle, if two sides are equal, then you can say that the triangle is isosceles. Means the lengths of two sides should be same. In any triangle, if two sides are equal in length, then you can say that the triangle is isosceles. You see, let us answer this. The given points, let us assume that the first point phi 2 as A is equal to the coordinates 5 minus 2. And the second coordinates, ready, 1, 2, 3. And the second point B is equal to 6, 4. And the third point C is equal to 7 minus 2. Now, let us find the length of the first side AB and the length of the second side BC and the length of the third side AC. The length of the side AB is nothing but the distance between the points A and B. As we know the formula to find the distance, we can find the length of AB. Here you see the first point A, 5 minus 2, let us consider this 5 minus 2 as x1, y1. The second point B, the coordinate 6, 4, and let us assume that 6, 4 is x2, y2. Now we have the distance formula, AB distance, the line segment AB distance is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 is 6 and x1 is equal to 5. Therefore, 6 minus 5 whole square. x2 minus x1 means 6 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 is 4 and y1 is minus 2. Therefore, 4 minus of minus 2 is 4 plus 2. You see, minus y1. Actual y1 value is minus 2. But we should write minus y1 means let us change the sign of minus 2. So that it will be plus 2. Okay. y2 minus y1. y2 is 4 minus y1 is plus 2. 4 plus 2 whole square. What is 6 minus 5? Good. 6 minus 5 is 1 square. Plus what is 4 plus 2? 4 plus 2 is 6 square. 1 square is 1 and 6 square is 36. And 1 plus 36 is root over 37 units. This is the distance between A and B, the points A and B are the length of the line segment AB. And it is the length of the first side of the triangle ABC. Okay. Now let us find the distance between BC. Consider the point B 6, 4 as x1, y1 and the point C coordinate 7 minus 2 as x2, y2. Now let us find the distance between BC. BC distance is equal to root over again the same formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 is 7 minus x1 is 6, 7 minus 6 whole square plus y2 minus y1 means minus 2 minus 4, minus 2 minus 4 whole square. What is 7 minus 6? 7 minus 6 is 1 square, minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6 whole square. 1 square is 1, minus 6 whole square means minus into minus is plus, 6 into 6, 6 6 are 36. 1 plus 36 is also root 37 units. You see, you can observe that these two sides are equal in length. Okay. Now let us find the third side also. Here the point C coordinates 7 minus 2 x1 y1 and the coordinates of A 5 minus 2 x2 y2. And the distance between C and A, CA distance is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is 5 minus 7 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 2 plus 2. You see, minus y1 means change the sign of minus 2. Plus 2 whole square. 5 minus 7 is minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0 square. Minus 2 whole square is minus 2 into minus 2 is root over 4, and this is 0 square. 4 plus 0 is root 4, which is equal to 2 units. If you observe, these two sides are equal and third side is different in length. Therefore, since AB is equal to BC, two sides of this triangle are equal, you can say that the triangle is an isosceles triangle. Is it clear now? Good. Now let us solve question number 5. Here is the question number 5, dear students. Check whether the point A 3, 4, point B 6, 7, point C 9, 4 and point D 6, 1 are the vertices of a square. I shall repeat. Check whether the points A 3, 4, B 6, 7, C 9, 4 and D 6, 1 are the vertices of a square or not. Here is the solution. Now, do you remember what is a square? And what is the shape of the square? Very good. And when can I say that a quadrilateral is a square? Good. In any quadrilateral, if all the four sides are equal, then it should be rhombus. You see, in a rhombus, if the diagonals are also equal, then you can say that it is a square. Therefore, in order to prove that these 4 points form a square, let us show that all the 4 sides, that is AB, BC and CD, DA, all the 4 sides are equal, and also let us find the distance of the diagonal AC, and let us find the length of the second diagonal BD. If the diagonals are also equal, then you can say that the points A, B, C, D form a square. Here given points A 3, 4, B 6, 7, C 9, 4 and D 6, 1. Here are the 4 points. The first point A 3, 4, let us consider this as x1, y1, and the second point B 6, 7, and let us consider this as x2, y2. Now let us find the distance between A and B. AB distance, root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 is 6 and x1 is 3. 6 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 is 7 and y1 is 4. Therefore, this is 7 minus 4 whole square. 6 minus 3 is 3 square. 7 minus 4 is also 3 square. 3 square plus 3 square, that is 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. You can write 18 as 9 into 2. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 root 2 units. This is the length of the first side AB. And let us find the length of the second side BC. For this, the point B 6, 7 as x1, y1, and let us take C 9, 4 as x2, y2. Now BC distance, root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 is 9 minus x1 is 6, 9 minus 6 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 means 4 minus 7, 4 minus 7 whole square. What is 9 minus 6? 3 square, plus 4 minus 7 is minus 3 square, plus 3 square is 9, minus 3 square means minus 3 into minus 3 is also plus 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 means again 3 root 2 units. And let us find the third side now. The coordinates of C9, 4 as x1, y1, and let us consider the coordinates of D6, 1 as x2, y2. Now the distance formula CD, distance, is equal to x2 means 6 minus x1 is 9, 6 minus 9 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 whole square means y2 is 1 and y1 is 4, 1 minus 4 whole square. 6 minus 9 is minus 3 whole square and 1 minus 4 is minus 3 whole square. Minus 3 whole square is plus 9 and again minus 3 whole square is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 is again 3 root 2 units. You see, so far we found that the 3 sides of this quadrilateral are equal. Let us check the fourth side now. Fourth side, the coordinates of D 6, 1 x1, y1, and the coordinates of A 3, 4, x2, y2. And dA distance or the side dA, length of the side dA is equal to, again distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 is 3 and x1 is 6. 3 minus 6 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square means 4 minus 1 whole square. 3 minus 6 is minus 3 whole square. 4 minus 1 is plus 3 square. Minus 3 whole square is plus 9 and plus 3 square is plus 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 9 2 is 18. 9 into 2 means again 3 root 2 units. You see, all the four sides of this quadrilateral are equal. Now let us verify the length of the diagonals also. The first diagonal A and C. The coordinates of A 3, 4 as x1, y1 and the coordinates of C 9, 4 as x2, y2. The length of the diagonal AC is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 is 9 and x1 is 3. 9 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 is 4 and y1 is 4. 4 minus 4 whole square. 9 minus 3 is 6 square. 4 minus 4 is 0 square. 6 square, 6 6 is 36, 0 square is 0. Root over 36 plus 0 is root 36. Root 36 is 6 units. And the second diagonal, the vertex B 6, 7, x1, y1 and the vertex D 6, 1, x2, y2. The length of the diagonal BD is nothing but the distance between the points B and D. Root over the same formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here is 6 minus 6, isn't it? 6 minus 6 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square means 1 minus 7 whole square. 6 minus 6 is 0 square. 1 minus 7 is minus 6 square. 0 square is 0. Minus 6 whole square is 36. Root over 0 plus 36 is root over 36 is equal to 6 units. Now you can observe that all the four sides of this quadrilateral are equal and the two diagonals are also equal in length. Since AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, four sides are equal, and AC is equal to BD, two diagonals are also equal in length, then you can say that the points ABCD form a square. Good. Is it clear now? Very good. Thank you. Thank you one and all.